Welcome to Alphabet Adventures. Today we are going on a fun-filled journey to explore the amazing world of the letter B. Yes, letter B. B is for bear. B is for ball. B is for basket. B is for bucket. B is also for brinjal and broccoli. And do you know, in cricket we use bat and ball. See, these words starts with letter B. And the sound of letter B is B, B, B. Say with me, B, B. B, bear, B, ball, B, basket, B, bucket, B, brinjal, B, broccoli, B, bat, B, ball. So, B, beautiful bear. We have B, basket, a big basket. B, brinjal, B, broccoli, B, broccoli, and B, bat. So we have learned so many words starting with letter B. Let's move and learn how to write the uppercase B and the lowercase b. Let's make the uppercase B first. We will take and make a standing line like this. Then make a curve from here to this place and then make another curve. This is our letter B in uppercase. One more time. Make a standing line. Then make a curve from one line to second line and another curve from second to the third line. This is letter B. Letter B. One more time. The standing line and two curves. Standing line and first curve and the second curve. This is how we make letter B in uppercase. Let's learn the letter B in lowercase. Again, the standing line. This time you only have to make a second curve. From here to here. That's it. One more time. Standing line. Bring curve from this line to the last line. One more time. Standing line. And this is the way we make our B. Well, we have learned letter B today. And we have learned how to write letter B in uppercase and lowercase. I hope you will definitely like this beautiful B video. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.